Okay, good morning. We are in Fairview today, and we're going to tear out this concrete driveway, rip it all out. It's all been cracked up through the years, and put a beautiful paver driveway in. So it should look awesome. They always do. Got my guy breaking the concrete right now, a little loud, with the machine. So the right equipment, right personnel, right company, Precision Pavers. All right, we screened the sand. We got these pipes in here. What these do is set our elevations. We have a constant plane from point A to point B. We're going back in the driveway first, and then we'll work back toward the street. We're laying our Luder's Gray Catalina 6-piece system at a 45-degree angle. We do that for several reasons. One, it looks nicer. B, there's better lockup between the units as the torque of the car turns into the garage. Precision Pavers, rocking and rolling, making things happen. The driveway is looking awesome. Now we're getting ready some little details. We're going to put a little design in here, snazz it up a little bit. The homeowners are loving so far. Nice constant plane on the driveway. Everything's looking fabulous. The charcoal border just looking dynamite. All right, this is it. Final pictures of our driveway in Fairview. Just showing the entryway and the border being charcoal, solid as a rock. It came down, we have our travertine walkway. Kind of muddy, the guys are working today, but even dirty, it looks pretty. Put a couple bands in here, just kind of break up the large area. Works well. We tied the gutters in, underground, buried them. My homeowner's in the middle putting some lights on the perimeter. So looking great. Everybody's happy. Precision Pavers making front yards, backyards beautiful.